This is my new mullet Spartan. Hey, I'm Jack and this is my new 29 Spartan. This is the EXO build for the Spartan. For the wheel set, I'm running race face Volt hubs with the ARC 29 race face rims. For the stem, I'm running the Hi-Fi stem, 35 and then 35 clamp. With the bars, I'm running OSX 35s, running them at 780. Got the fresh Overture black saddle with the good old Chromag daggers in silver. I don't like my shins. I really hate them. So that was my bike check on the Devinci Spartan. You can come in store, check out our range, or go on bikelab.co.nz to check out all the stuff online.